How to solve TikTok hanging problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve TikTok hanging problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here just type TikTok, click on it and go to storage. First clear cache and then go to permissions, enable all of those here, and then go to this one here for stop, and now go back and go to your battery and disable this one, power saving mode, and then just restart your phone and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.